Hello and welcome to the Tosca in Heartbeat video. I am Rohan Bansod from Tricentis. Today I will be showing the standard modules which Tosca provides for SAP. So let us start with the Tosca. For this I will be creating a new workspace. I will be giving it name SAP demo. Now the workspace is created successfully, and in the standard menu we have to go to Tbox X engines in which we can find the SAP standard modules. Here, SAP Login, SAP Logon, SAP Context Menu, SAP Multiple Logon License, SAP Status Bar, SAP Menu, SAP Tree View, SAP Toolbar, SAP Subtoolbar, and SAP Type Control can be found. Now I will be creating a new test case for this. The first module which I will be taking is SAP Logon. We have to just drag and drop the module into the test case. Here we can see that SAP Logon path and SAP connection are there. It defines the path to the program file via the parameter SAP logon path. Here we have to enter the path which is provided in a program files. In SAP connection, enter the name of the system to which you would like to connect into the parameter SAP connection. For this, I will be entering the SAP external connection. So let us run this. As you can see, it is successfully connected to the SAP logon system. Now I will take the SAP login module and drop it to the test case. In the SAP login module, we use this module to enter the user data into the SAP login screen. Here we can enter the user name and password. And here enter. You have to click on enter. So we will run this. So as you can see, I have successfully run the SAP login module. Now we move toward the SAP Toolbar module. In this module, SAP Toolbar can be used to steer the transaction code field and the toolbar buttons. Here I enter the transaction code as VA01 and button parameters as enter. So here we can see that this is the SAP toolbar menu which is steered, and we have entered the transaction code here VA01 and entered into this create sales order initial screen. Now we have to enter here the data which is provided. Now we move towards to the module SAP Tab Control. For this we need to have the data shipped to party and sold to party and press enter. The SAP SAP Control module is used to steer the control in a single line or multi-line view in the Tosca. The action must be set to input by default. So as I've steer the tab item overview, so I will be giving its name in the tab. So you can see that it is shifted from sales to item overview. The next module which I will be using is SAP Subtoolbar. In SAP Subtoolbar, we can define the tooltip text of the Subtoolbar button to be clicked via the parameter Subtoolbar. For now, I want to click on the proposed items. So I will be writing that name in the Subtoolbar. So we can see that it has clicked and proposed items window is open now. The next module which I will be using is SAP Status Bar. The SAP Status Bar, as the name indicates, it shows the status. In that status text, we have to write the text of the status bar to be verified. So at the bottom, you can see that here it shows the warning, enter the sold to party. So we have the action mode should be verify here, and the message type is error. As we can see that the test case has passed and it has verified. The next module which I will be using is SAP Context Menu. The SAP Context Menu entries can be steered by specifying either the path or by selecting the menu directly. Here, if I want to go to insert Unicode control character and then the further entries. So I will write here. So it has steered to the context menu and the following options can be visible to us. Now we move towards the module SAP Tree View. In menu entries are selected by using the action mode input. Specify the path for the menu entry to be selected and use arrows to indicate various menu levels. The last item will be double clicked by default. So here we will be steering through SAP menu, Office, notifications, and then to create. So we have to so as we can see on the screen that it has steered through the various trees menu which are present in the SAP menu bar. Now we move to SAP multiple logon license menu. If a user tries to log in multiple times, it will show an error to the user. So I'm login once again. So this is the information pop-up which appears when we log in multiple times. So this module helps us to select the logon option such as continue with this logon and any other logons in system, continue with this logon without ending any other logons in system, or terminate this login. So I choose continue with this logon and end any other logons in the system. So it will select and close the system which I do not want. So see, again we are on the fresh menu page. So these are the standards SAP modules which help us to save our time. Thanks for watching this video.